So yesterday Honor launched Honor Play in India, and I think it will going to be a game changer smartphone in the budget segment with the flagship processor. And thanks to Honor India, yesterday I have attended the launch event at Delhi. Thus, this is the hands-on and first impression of Honor Play. So let's begin. Hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir. So this is a hands-on and first impression video of Honor Play. Before starting this video guys, I would like to promote my Instagram, which is the Tech Buffet. So if you are interested to see some amazing behind the scene and some amazing content from my side, just go ahead and follow me on Instagram. The handle is Tech Buffet. The link will be in the description box below. And guys, if you want to see my first vlog which I have made while attend the Honor Play event, then go ahead and subscribe to my Hindi channel, which is Tech Buffet Hindi. I will leave a link in the description box below. So yeah, with that said, let's begin. So guys, let's start this video with the design and build quality. Full smartphone is built with metal. It looks amazing as you see over here. The Honor Play's slim and subtle unibody metal design is available in two colors too. That is midnight black and navy blue, and it looks pretty gorgeous as you see over here. Now let me give you the physical overview guys. The left side of the phone has hybrid SIM slot and the volume rocker, and the power button is placed on the right side. Honor has included 3.5mm headphone jack, thankfully, which is an awesome thing, which is located on the bottom with the USB Type-C charging port as well as microphone and speaker grill. And on the bottom it has fingerprint scanner and the camera placement. I will talk about the camera in the later part of the video. Moving to the front side of thing guys, thanks to 2018 it has a notch on the front, and the display is 6.3 inches of full HD plus, and the resolution is 1080 by 2340, which is some weird resolution, and it has a weird aspect ratio which is 19.5:9. That means it is very tall display, and when it comes to holding the smartphone, even though it has 6.3 inches of display, it is quite comfortable to hold in hand as of the first impression. And Honor says that it has 89% screen to body ratio, which is incredible thing in my opinion. Now after that guys, moving to the under the hood things, my god, you don't believe this guys. It has a Hisilicon Kirin 970 processor, which is a flagship processor from Honor, and that thing is amazing, I would say that, because the 970 is a very premium processor. Like literally when it comes to processing power, it is very comparable to 845 processor, which is from Qualcomm Snapdragon, both built on 10nm, which is an amazing thing. That means it will going to have amazing power as well as amazing battery efficiency. And guys, I have to say I'm impressed with it. And it has Mali GPU, which is not that impressive thing, but guys, it has a GPU turbo technology, which is an awesome thing guys. GPU turbo is able to accelerate performance by optimizing software and hardware resources. With GPU turbo, the graphics processing efficiency is improved up to 60%, while overall SoC power consumption is saved by 30%. This is very awesome thing done by Honor guys. Basically they can use some software tricks to improve your gameplay. While I have played PUBG over there, and it runs very smoothly. I mean, this smartphone cost very aggressively. I will talk about the pricing in the later part of the video, but GPU turbo is amazing, and it has AI sound. That means the sound quality will going to be very immersive, so which is an awesome thing. So huge thumbs up for that. Now moving to the cameras guys, it has dual rear cameras on the back, 16 plus 2 megapixel with the aperture of f2.2 on the primary and the f2.4 on the secondary camera, and it has some AI technology built in, which can convert regular photo into professional photography smartphone. That means it has smart technology and lots of AI mode to give perfect image. Honor's AI camera technology adjusts exposure and color according to the technology recognized by 22 object real time and 500 plus scenarios in real time. That is an awesome thing guys. So guys, the front facing camera is 16 megapixel, which is amazing. And when it comes to video guys, it can record 4K video with EIS and AIS. That is very amazing thing. The front facing camera can also shoot 1080p videos, which is an awesome thing. So guys, I have to say I'm impressed with it. Now guys, moving to the next thing, which is the face and fingerprint unlock. As I have heard and as I have tested, that fingerprint and face unlock is very quick and very fast and very reliable too. So there is no complaint. Now moving to the battery side of thing guys, as you might guys already know that this smartphone is mainly focused on gaming side of things, so battery life is very important. So they have given us the huge 3750 mAh battery, which allows heavy gaming, entertainment use and lots of other things guys. And I have to say it will going to be have amazing battery life with exceptional performance because of 970 processor, which is built on 10nm. That means the battery efficiency will going to be improved drastically, and it has only 1080p display. That means it doesn't have to push a lot of pixels. That will also improve the battery life. That means the battery life is going to be amazing. Now moving to the software side of thing, guys, and storage side of things, as you might already know that it has 64GB of internal storage. And when it comes to software, it is running on EMUI 8.2 on the top of Android 8.1. so it's a very awesome thing, guys. As I said that they have optimized the software a lot and make it very faster, and I have to say when I am using it for a very short amount of period, it feels very fast and very responsive. There is no lag or jitters I have seen till now, but it is very short time that I have tested the smartphone, guys. When I will receive the review unit for review purposes, guys, I will make a dedicated video on every category, for example camera, gaming and everything else. So please make sure you have subscribed this and enable the notification so you will be notified when I post those video, guys. But I have to say, guys, I'm impressed with this smartphone. And now talking about the pricing, guys, and availability, the Honor Play gonna available at the price of 19,999 rupees for 4GB RAM and 64GB internal storage variant, and the 6GB RAM and 64GB internal variant will be available at the price of 23,999, and it will going to be available from Amazon from 6th of August. That was yesterday. So guys, if you want to buy this smartphone, I will leave a link in the description box below from where you can purchase it. If you want to see more awesome videos on this smartphone, just hit that subscribe button. I will get this smartphone really soon, then I will make a full review and awesome videos on this smartphone. So if you want to see more coverage on this smartphone, just hit that subscribe button. So yeah, that's all in this video, guys. I hope you do like this video. If you did like this video, guys, hit that like button and share this video with your friend who are searching for a smartphone to buy under this price category. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.